I've got one other member. Exotic Cars is my vintage Lamborghini, Ferrari guy on. Yes, no, going once, going twice. I'll answer his question anyways, okay? Guy's been in the exotic car, and by the way, we're talking multi-million-dollar vehicles. This is not, I'm down at Big Mike Naughton Ford. This is, I'm selling a 1989 Countach. You could get one of those for like 150 grand 5 years ago, and I looked at one 3 years ago for 300 grand. I was like, you're out of your mind. They're 700 grand now. Okay, so this is a market where we're talking big ticket sales. Now he came in and he's taking over a desk at this very famous East Coast. It's the place where you go for vintage cars, and they're like, hey, we need you to step up the business. Here's a list of everybody that's ever interacted with us. The last thing you want to do in situations like that, when you're coming new to the table and you have a list of ex-customers, people that had interest, is go, hey, my name's Matt, I'm calling to see if you guys were in the market for a new car. No thank you, goodbye, right? The way to handle when you're given a list, especially if you're new to the role, new to the company, hey, I wanted to step in here personally. I've been brought in to make sure that we're delivering the service for anybody who we've done business with in the past. It's my job to make sure that all your questions are answered, whether you're doing business with us. I just wanted to let you know I'm out here. If you ever have questions on the value of one of your vehicles, the value of a vehicle that you're looking to purchase, or you've got a friend that you just feel like they might be in a situation where they're being taken advantage of, I'm here to help you. This is all I think about all day, every night is, you know, what the values are on cars, what's going on right now, where is the market going to go. Again, I've been brought in to help anybody who's ever worked with the business at any time. That's what I get paid to do. I'm happy to do it, whether you buy from me, sell with me. I'm not concerned about that. I'm just concerned about servicing you if you need something. Fair enough? Sure. Now all of a sudden they're like, I've got a guy, okay? So if I had a list of 500 people, that would be the message that I would leave. The message I would not leave, once again, hey, if you're selling a car, I'm new to the business here, I'd love to help you. Hey, if you need to buy a car, I know where to find them. That's what everybody says. Hey, I just want to let you know you're on a list of VIP people that have done business with us. I've never bought a car from you in the past. I'll be honest, it makes no difference to me. You know, whatever the situation was in the past, you're on this list, and that's a good thing. What that means is I'm here to support you. Whether you bought from us, whether you're going to buy from us, whether you're going to sell with us, list with us, do consignment. My job is to help people like you all day, every day. If something comes up or you know somebody that comes up, I've got answers. If I don't know the answers, I've got a network where I can get them. Can I text you over my contact information? You can store it in your phone. Well, sure. And now you've got somebody that is like, man, I've got a person, right? That angle pays dividends when you get a list. Are you tired of barely making quota every month, or worse? Are you not making your quota? Are you not hitting your numbers? Are you worried that you're going to lose your job in sales? All that can change for you within the next 60 days. Hi, my name is Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and we can help you double, yeah, you heard me correctly, double the amount of sales that you're making, double your quota, and double your income within the next 60 days with Easton University Sales Coaching. Click the link here, and we're going to show you how you'll have access to the Easton University Learning Portal. It has everything you need to know to double your income, double your commissions, double your quota within the next 60 days. You're also going to have the ability to join live coaching with me twice a week. I'm going to be there with you every step of the way. You got a question on prospecting? I've got you covered. You want to know how to close? We'll walk through it. You want to be able to skillfully handle objections and complaints? I will walk you through in the live settings. Check out Easton University. Click the link now. You're going to see 1,000 video testimonials from people just like you that have doubled their income in the last 60 days. Click the link here. I want to talk to you about how we can help you sell twice as much within the next 60 days.